Okay, so then I said, no way, you're going down. And then what happened? And then...
Okay, so who's again? Oh yes, there she.
Hey, Dashi! Wah! Ow.
Sorry I scared you.
That didn't scare me, Pinky. Like, it totally didn't scare me.
Whatever. I was wondering if you could bake cupcakes with me tomorrow. Maybe at 5 or something.
Sure, Pinky.
So,
Oh, why not somebody else? Why did you choose me?
it's just because you're my bestest friend. Oh, and you too, Fluttershy.
Okay, then. Yeah. So, I'll see you then, Pinky.
Bye!
The next day. Okay, so then, wait. Oh, it's time. Sorry, Flutters. I need to get to Pinky, from yesterday.
Oh yeah, that's fine. How long do you think you'll be?
Oh, about an hour or so.
Okay. I'll just wait here, I guess.
Okay, bye.
Bye!
1 angel, 2 angel, 3 angel. I wonder what Pinky wants to see me for.
Where is she? Where is she?
I'm here, Pinky.
Oh.
Sorry, my dog's so bad. Oh, it's okay, I guess. But, so why did you need me here again? We're baking cupcakes. Oh, yeah. But I'm not a very good baker, Pinky, right? Of course. But I'm going to be doing most of the baking. You're just going to be helping me getting some of this stuff. So it'll be a bit quicker. Okay, then. So what cupcakes are we baking? Rainbow cupcakes. Oh, those sound good. I can't wait to take a bite. Me too. Well, let's get started.
Okay, but first, I baked you a cupcake.
Oh, I thought we were baking cupcakes.
Oh no, I just wanted to bake one just for you before we did it. Take a bite.
No thanks. I'll save it till later.
No, just one little bite.
Fine. It looks delicious anyway.
Come on, little Dashi. Come on, little Dashi. Little Dashi. Why is my life like this? Dashi, you know you can do it. Come on, Dashi. Yay! Hi, Dashi. Pinky, is that you? Why can't I move? You're tied down, silly. I thought you'd be able to figure that out. But Pinky, what? Pinky, how about you just get me out of here, please? Oh, no, Dashi. I'm sorry. Wait. Oh my god, you got me good, Pinky. Oh, this is just one of your jokes, right? Like, this is just like a big joke, I'm guessing. Oh my god, you got me so well. And how did you get that sleeping potion? That must have taken forever to get. Maybe you got it from Sakura? Dashi, this isn't a joke. It's not? Yeah, sure it's not. You're not gonna trick me again, Pinky. And why is your hair down like that? I don't even know how you got it down like that. Ugh. Anyways, let's get started. Started with what? The baking, of course. We were going to bake cupcakes, of course. So why are we not doing it? Because we are doing it. Oh, yeah. So let's get started. Started with what? The baking. I already told you. But the other... I need to get out of here. I think she's so tough, huh? I need to get out of here. Okay, let's get this. What? She's gone? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I need to get back to my pinky form. Ow. Oh god. Oh god. Am I supposed to... Oh no. What am I supposed to do? I didn't think this would ever happen. She must have not escaped from the corner yet. Yeah, let's go.